Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. On a weekly time frame chart, Render has recently broken out another very huge rising wedge pattern. Previously, you can see it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel, and after the breakout, we had a very massive rally. By the way, from this low of June 2023 up till this current high, you can see that it has rallied more than 2,868%, almost 3,000%, but could not break out this quite long-term resistance of $7.94 that had been previously breaking out the resistance here. And now again, this is the second week, even after breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the price line is struggling to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And recently on a 4-hour time frame chart, Render has formed this symmetrical triangle. Here we have the resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and here we have the support. And right now you can see that it is quite squeezed. The movement is quite squeezed inside this triangle. And at this time, it is trying to break out the resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared a few hours ago with my members, and still this move is still in play. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that I shared on 15th of Feb 2024, a few days ago. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And by the way, this move was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 70%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see that for the past few days, since after 22nd of Feb, it is moving inside this symmetrical triangle on this 4-hour time frame chart. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, and now it is again move down, move up at the resistance of this triangle. In case of breaking down this symmetrical triangle, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $6. But before that, we have a quite long-term support at $6.50 as well. I will show you this support on the 7-day time frame chart. And in case of breaking out this resistance of the triangle, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $8.88. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that previously it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. And when it was moving inside this channel, in those days, I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this channel, this long-term down trend line resistance, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, you can see it has rallied almost 3,000%. And recently, we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of the rising wedge pattern. You can see we got stable rejections here, 2 rejections here, and stable rejections here, 2 more rejections here, and finally, we have broken out this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then target for this breakout from the channel was here. That was approximately between $8 to $10, and you can see that the price line has almost reached that target. And now, if we take a look at the target for this huge breakout from this big rising wedge pattern, that target is here. That is approximately between $20 to $22. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.